Hi everyone, my name is Kaundinya. I am here to share knowledge o history of astrology. The term astrology derives from ancient Greek and is made up of two words, astir, star, or constellation, and an intricate form that may denote very different things: reasoning, intellect, story, word, etc. that we, perhaps, may here translate as study. Astrology is the study of influence of stars and planets on each individual, for it is said to play a major role in shaping their personality along with their future. Astrology has originated from Vedas, the oldest Hindu books of knowledge, and flourished in ancient India, lakhs of years ago. Its roots cannot be traced, but it was discussed and much regarded by all the great Indian seers, like Parashara, Jaimini, Vairahemihira, and others. Astrology is referred to as Jyotish, which means related to light. But then what is light? The word light is indicative of knowledge, and darkness is a symbol of ignorance. Astrology lights the path of human beings, and provides better guidance in molding their future. Evidences prove that the early civilizations had deep knowledge of the science of astrology. Astrology was germinated in the Hindu kingdom. Mesopotamians and Babylonians developed it separately. Even in prehistoric times, days, Paksh, Ayan, months, and era were known. Moon was greatest clock at those times. Written around 5000 BC. Vedas have references of orbit of planets, nakshatras, yug, months, tithis, eclipse, meteors, comets, etc. Following are pioneers of Indian astrology: 1. Surya, 2. Pitama, 3. Vyasa, 4. Vasishta, 5. Atri, 6. Parasara, 7. Kusyapa, 8. Narada, 9. Garga, 10. Marechi, 11. Manu, 12. Anjaresa, 13. Lamasa, 14. Pulizat, 15. Chayavana, 16. Yavana, 17. Ptragat, and 18. Satunaka. Vairahemihira, 123 AD, wrote Brihat Samhita, a great work on astronomy and astrology. There are 105 chapters and 4,000 verses in this book. He has shown how astrology can be applied for the welfare of public. Aryabhata, 476 AD, wrote Aryabhataya, which comprise a great deal of astronomy, mathematics, and astrology. Even astronomy of this book is spread to Arab countries. Aryabhata II, 950 AD, wrote Madhasiddhanta, where he explained more clearly about calculation part of astrology.
Bhaskara I, 629 AD, wrote Mahabhaskariya, a book on astromathematics. Bhaskara I, 1114 AD, gave Siddhanta Shiromani, where a lot of mathematics can be found. Details of square, square root, cube, cube root, factorial values, factors of a number are explained. Details of planets, calculation of radius of Earth, eclipses, and atmospheric layers, 7 zones above Earth are discussed. A lot of other authors like Kalyana Varma, Kalidasa, Venkatesa, Nailakantha, Manjriswaran, etc. have published books on astrology.
Thousands of years ago, astrology has taken its roots in Western countries. Egyptians know astrology 4,000 years before Christ. They prepared ephemeris. At the same time, Chinese too studied astrology. King Huayan built a planetarium. In 2608 BC, Babylonians practiced astrology a few centuries before Christ. Pythagoras, 530 BC, propounded that the Earth is rotating on its own axis. Aristarchus, around 275 BC, claims that Earth revolves around the Sun. Aristillon and Timoris, 320-260 BC, prepared an index of positions of several stars. Ptolemy, 120-180 AD, has written Sinatixis, based on the writings of Hipparchus, 150 BC. This book on astrology and astronomy has been given highest regard for centuries together. Arabs praise this book as Al-Amish means the Great Book. This book contains information on shape of Earth, orbit of Earth, planetary orbits along with a description of eclipses, and Milky Way. In 1209 Cambridge University was founded and astrology was taught there from 1250. Copernicus, 1473-1543 developed heliocentric theory. He said that Earth is revolving around the Sun. Nostradamus, 1503-1566 gave his prophecies which are coming true even today. Tycho Brahe, 1546-1601 and Kepler, 1571-1630 also contributed significantly to astrology. Galileo built telescope in 1609 and observed physically all the planets and constellations. Newton, 1640-1727 worked on astronomy and astrology, and compiled a list of 2,884 stars. Western astrology is revived in recent times by astrologers like Galileo, William Lilly, Raphael, Safariel, Francis Sakoian, and Louis Acker, whose standard works are highly appreciated by all. Vedic astrology is sidereal astrology, Nirayana, which is also known as fixed star astrology. Western astrology is tropical astrology, Sayana, or the moving star system, which is governed by the precession of the equinoxes.
Astrology is divided into two parts: A. Arithmetic Siddhanta, Tantra, Purana; B. Predictive 1-period Hora, 2-period Muhurta, Electional, 3-period Pajaka, 4. Prasna, Horary, 5. Medini, Mundane, 6. Samada. The precession of the equinoxes refers to the observable phenomena of the rotation of the heavens, a cycle which spans a period of approximately 25,920 years, over which time the constellations appear to slowly rotate around the Earth, taking turns at rising behind the rising sun on the vernal equinox. This remarkable cycle is due to a synchronicity between the speed of the Earth's rotation around the Sun and the speed of rotation of our galaxy. "12 signs of Zodiac are our vernal signs. The Ram begins, then comes the Bull, in May the Twins, the Crab in June, next Leo shines, and Virgo ends the northern signs. The Balance brings autumnal fruits, the Scorpion stings, the Archer shoots, December's Goat brings wintry blast, Aquarius rain, the Fish comes last." Starting from Ascendant, there are 12 houses in our birth chart. Each house represents certain events in our life. Take a look on the slide. Thank you for your patience. Soon, I will get back to you with more lessons on astrology.